In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your laptop to your iPhone using a USB cable. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Microsoft Store and click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box, go and type in Apple devices and press search. Now click on Apple devices in the left hand side and go and click on this blue install button to install this application to your device. You can see here that I already have this installed. So once you've installed this, we then need to connect our iPhone to our laptop using a USB cable. So you can either use a USB cable or a USB-C cable. It doesn't really make any difference. And once your phone is connected, we can click on the open button next to this application. And as long as your device is connected, it should appear underneath connected device. Now, if it doesn't show up straight away, then just go reconnect the USB cable to your phone. Just try unplugging it and plugging it back in. And you may also need to unlock your phone. And if you do get any pop-ups asking to allow access to this application, just go ahead and make sure to allow access on your mobile device. So once your phone's connected, we need to click on Photos in the left-hand side. And before you can use this feature, you need to turn off iCloud Photos on your mobile device. So to do that, we're just going to come over to the Settings app on your phone, click on your profile name at the top of this screen, click on iCloud and select Photos. Then just go and turn off Sync this iPhone and click on Remove from iPhone. Now don't worry, as we can go and turn this back on in just a second, but for now we're going to click on Remove from iPhone. And once you've turned this off, you'll then need to unplug and replug your iPhone back into your computer. And then if you click on Photos once again, you should see this window here. Make sure Sync Photos Onto is turned on and enabled. Click on the drop down arrow and select Choose Folder. Now just go and select the folder where all of your photos are saved to. So mine is in my Pictures folder here. And if you don't currently have a folder, you can always create one by right-clicking, clicking on New, selecting Folder, and just give this the name of something like Photos. And then you can go and place all of your photos inside of this new Pictures folder. Then just make sure to select it and click on Select Folder. Now what's going to happen is it's going to import all of the photos inside of this folder. Then we can scroll down to the bottom and click on Apply. And now it's going to sync all of these photos over to your mobile device. So now what we can do is come over to our mobile and load up the Photos application. And now you should be able to see all of those photos that we just uploaded. Now do bear in mind that these photos are organized by date. So it's not necessarily going to show right at the bottom of your gallery. If the photo was taken on a previous date, then you may need to scroll up to go in and locate this photo. And then once you've finished, you can always come back over to settings and you can always turn back on iCloud Photos. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.